I still need feedback because I'm a lonely developer right now with a lonely idea and no feedback so far. So
you have come to the right place, my friend.
Yo, we might have had a hard year. Virus kicking into a high gear. Fever's running high, tense atmosphere. Bullies on Twitter, but we persevere, man. We're trying to learn Angular here. Building a tribe that you can't divide. We're supportive, we're inclusive, cause being nice and successful are not mutually exclusive.
Yes.
Choose a target to your actual production directory.
Whatever you just said, Kai, all of the GDEs started nodding, so it must be good.
Are you a bad ass code wrangler or a caught in the headlights amateur? No matter where you are, you can sit with us. You can drive a sports car, you can light a cigar, you can rock that handlebar. We're about the atmosphere and you're welcome here. You can sit with us. Sing it.
You can sit with us, hop on the bus to the station, come and take your donation. We got fun and education, no matter your location.
If you, we like to also, do you want to, there you are, hello!
Sorry,
Where are you, Mateo?
I'm from Colombia. I'm in the street. My little...
Never dull moment with events almost daily.
Oh.
Yep.
You there, Sonder?
Yeah.
What's going on? What the hell just happened to Sonder?
And one time, we got not to ukulele. And man, that's just the gravy. Truth told, we've been kicking off lately. You wanna join in? That's not just a maybe. Come on in, join the club, baby. You can sit with us. Are you a misfit? Is your code unfit? Hop on the bus to the station. You got rainbow pride. Get your butt inside of Angular Nation. We got fun and education, no matter your location.
I know who's going to give a talk on this. It's Björn, because he asked the question. So investigate and fix it.
I'll use
You built it,
NGX.
Bjorn.
I'll use NGX Electronify, and I'll know it in 2 minutes.
I have no more questions. I'm just saying.
Oh, that's a very safe.